Right now, while you're watching this video, someone just emailed your business. And if you don't respond within the next 5 minutes, there's a 78% chance they're already talking to your competitor. Here's how to fix that permanently in 15 minutes. What if every incoming email you received was automatically read, categorized, and responded to with a personalized professional reply before you even opened your inbox? That's not science fiction. That's a 15-minute setup using ChatGPT, Gmail, and Zapier. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to build it right now. The average professional spends 28% of their workday reading and responding to email. For small business owners, that number is even higher. An AI email bot doesn't just save time. It creates a consistent, professional first impression every time, captures leads before they go cold, and lets you focus on work that actually generates revenue. You need 3 things: a Gmail account, a Zapier account, the free tier works for basic setups, and an OpenAI account for the ChatGPT API. Total cost to run this after setup, roughly $1 to $5 per month, depending on email volume. That's it. Go to Zapier and create a new Zap. Set the trigger to Gmail, new email. You can filter this to only fire for emails from specific senders, with specific subject line keywords, or to a specific label. For example, if you run a consulting business, you might filter for any email that contains the word inquiry or interested. Quick note, by the way, if you're watching this and wondering where to actually start, I put together a free AI automation quick start guide at automatedincomelab.com. It shows you the exact first steps to take, the tools to use, and the income models that are working right now. Link is below, grab it free, and come back. In Zapier, add an action step using the ChatGPT app. Select Send Message, and in the prompt field, build a template like this. You are a professional assistant for your business name. You have received the following email. This is where you paste the email body variable from Gmail. Write a warm professional response that acknowledges their message, answers any questions if possible, and invites them to schedule a call. Keep it under 150 words. That prompt, paired with the actual email content, produces a genuinely useful, personalized reply every time. Now connect Gmail as your final action. You have 2 options here. Option 1, auto-send the reply immediately. This works great for acknowledgement emails, confirming receipt, setting expectations on response time. Option 2, create a draft for your review before sending. This is the better starting point. Review the AI replies for a week, see how they perform. Then, switch to auto-send once you trust the quality. Add one more ChatGPT step before the reply that simply categorizes the email. Is this email a sales inquiry, a support request, a partnership proposal, or something else? Reply with one word only. Then use Zapier's filter to route different categories to different reply templates. Sales inquiries get your booking link. Support requests get your help doc. It's a fully intelligent triage system. This is one of 10 workflows in my free AI Automation Quick Start Guide at automatedincomelab.com. Every workflow is pre-built and ready to customize. No starting from scratch. Grab it free at the link below and start automating your business this week.